and welcome to a Honda CB200 video. In this video I try not to cock up my brand new swing arm. You may recall from a couple of years ago now, the way it's gone, that I had to take off the swing arm and the bushings were loose on the swing arm, so we had to fix that. Old swing arm was dead, and so I've embarked on finding a replacement. Got the replacement all painted up, and I was having a hard time finding the bushings that go in here. They're a lot easier to get hold of now, but I was finding it hard at the time, so I ended up having some new bushings made, the bits that go in here. For the ones I've had made, I've made them out of a bronze alloy, but this is what they look like. They're a plastic insert, two of them on each side of the swing arm, and they sit on top of a sleeve, and then the bolt goes through. And when I stripped the old one, I discovered that the previous owner had drilled and put a grease nipple on there, drilled holes in it to grease it all up, which I thought was a very sensible idea, and I've done the same thing. So I had a new bolt ordered and then modified, so they put some new tube in, new grease nipples, cap to go on the end of it. The sleeves, I've had them drilled and those modified as well. And the bushings I've had made out of a bronze alloy. Now they've been in the freezer now for well over a year, so I don't think they're going to get any colder, and it's about time that I replaced the bushings, sleeves, these bits in the new swing arm with the bushings, which, being honest, I'm really quite nervous about. But in this video we're going to remove these plastic sleeves from the new swing arm. These bits in here, I'm going to get them out, clean up the inside surface of that, and press in the new brass alloy bushings. What could possibly go wrong? Right, so let's get squared away, get all this gubbins off, and get ready to strip all this down. So this is where I find myself being a little bit nervous, because in theory these plastic sleeves in here are serviceable, but on inspection there's a bit of chipping on the outside of them, a bit of dirt and erosion on the inside of them, so it probably is best to get these out and replace them. So that's what I'm going to try and do. Right, I think removing these lower ones is going to be the easiest bit, he says. So, something in there and hit it. Yay! There's that one out. One out, 3 left to go. Right, how to get the third ones out? Hang on, I've got an idea. Wait a moment. Right, got a large socket. I was going to try and put something in there to sort of push it out, but I haven't got anything. So just going to hit that. See if that works. Yeah, that's working. There we are. All 4 out. Right, I just popped in for dinner while I let these get back to ordinary temperature, just taking them out of the freezer and then went for dinner. So they're back at their ordinary temperature. These are the plastic parts. Their external diameter is 26.2. 26.2 millimeters, and these have an external diameter of 26.2 as well, because that's what they were made to copy. And the worry here is that the diameter of this, though, is 25.5. That's fine. 26. So working on the idea that these are about 26. Does that mean that these are too big at 26.2? Is that too much? And even when they came out from the freezer, they were still 26.2. They hadn't really reduced in their diameter very much. So these brass ones are 26.2 millimeters external diameter, the same as the plastic ones, plasticky ones. The tubes that they go in are 26. Are these too big? That's the question I'm going to leave you with. Are these too big? Anyway, I'm going to wrap this video up for now. I'd love to get your comments. Please get your comments to me. Have I got this too big for going in here? 26.2 millimeters external diameter, 26 millimeters internal diameter. Is that 0.2 too big? Even when cold, and even if I put that in the oven? Yeah. Do leave your comments below. Let me know what you think. If you're new to my videos, do hit the subscribe button and follow me along as we rebuild this Honda CB200. Cheers. Thanks for now. Look forward to your comments below. Bye.